Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is the video where I'm going to go ahead and announce the winner, so I'm just going to get right to it. I'm going to actually go fishing for about an hour, so if you want to stick around for the rest of the video, hopefully you'll see me catch a couple. The winner, I went ahead and just threw the names in a hat, and Samuel Balderas, that is you. So you get to have me send you a bag of the Berkley Gulp Sandworms. Not this bag, obviously. It's opened and gross and been well used. So go ahead and contact me through my Instagram. I'll stick it up right here. It is @TheReel, R-E-E-L, GoFishSD. Hit me up through Instagram, send me a DM, and then you and I can arrange how to get the prize. So anyways, congratulations, thanks again. All of you guys who are new to the channel, if you don't mind, go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to. As I hit different milestones, I'll probably do another one again at about 250 subscribers, 500, 1,000, so on and so forth. So subscribe, like the videos, comment, just kind of keep it flowing for me. I'd really appreciate it. And other than that, let's get fishing. All right, guys, we are back. Looking at what's going on in the water. Since I only have a short bit to fish, I think I'm just gonna go, we'll kind of walk up and down this beach a couple times, then head over to the jetty over there and see if I can't get a bite. Clamshell, it's kind of cool. For my usual quick setup rig, Carolina rig, 1/2 ounce egg sinker weight, down to about a 1 foot. Mine's probably about an 18 inch, but leader. It's all 6-pound mono. Sandworm on the end. Eventually I'll change it up and make something more interesting for a video, but for right now, sticking to what works, what's easy. Something you always want to do is reel in the slack. Something you always want to do is reel in the slack. You want to make sure you don't have a bunch of slack in your line, otherwise you get tangles, you can't feel the fish bite. It's kind of a key when you're in the waves. The waves are going to want to push it in, so you're going to want to kind of, as a wave pushes it, reel in the slack. When the water pulls it back out, you just let it go. You can even open your spool, let it pull out some line a little bit. Sort of play with it, feel it out. I think I just caught some seaweed. And I did. Get that off. That is a good one. It's an outgoing tide right now, so it's a good looking rock right down there. Hey, Mr. Seagull. Okay, there we go. I didn't look up the tide height, but it looks like it is a low tide, so I'm not really sure. This looks real shallow. Not sure how I'm going to do, but we'll find. And I think I just got it snagged on the first cast out here. See if it'll undo itself. Nope. Dang, really? Alright guys, I think I'm going to move up the jetty up to that next rock, kind of near where that seagull just landed up there. This is a little treacherous. Like that. No pain, no gain, as they say. At least I caught myself. All right, made it. Woo! Well guys, that'll do it. I got skunked today, but when you do these little 1 hour sessions, it happens. I mean, there's nothing you can do about it. The more time you have, the more success you have. The more patience and focus you have, also the more success you have. Thanks again for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.